Hey, it's Jabbo. Welcome to Trains Are Fun. We're going to be looking at my Thomas and Friends Lionel O-Scale collection. This all started back in the day when Bargain Hunt had these. I bought 2 or 3 of this starter pack from Bargain Hunt. It may have been before that date. And then it just grew from there. So I think I ended up selling one of the working ones. So you see I got another one there. That one has a little bit different box. That's the one that TrainWorld sent me. And then there's one that we got at Tuesday morning, I think. Is that what the tag is? It looks like a Tuesday morning tag. All right, so it bought either 2 or 3 of these from Bargain Hunt. The controller on some of these was defective, which I think may be why they were returned. And then the third one I bought, it for sure worked, and it worked on all 3 locomotives. So the problem was the controller. I think there's a wire or connection that gets loose in there. So that's what begun the journey. Then I think I got the Percy set early in my days of YouTube, and then the diesel and the James freight set. I don't know if I got these from TrainWorld or I might have got these from like eBay and stuff like that. They didn't have them in stores around here in Georgia where I live. So the collection kept growing. Then I found this Sodor Freight expansion pack. And there's another add-on pack that doesn't include Harold. It just has these 3 cars. I don't have that add-on pack, and I don't think I need to get it because these 3 cars are already have them. I mean, it's nice to have extras, but do you need 2 scruffies? I don't know, maybe. But yeah, so that's one of the add-on packs that I don't have, is the one that just includes those 3. It's in the shape of this one. This is my most recent edition. In fact, I don't think I've actually run this on a track, so we'll do that in this video. This is an add-on pack I didn't know about. Add-on freight cars. Has another gondola, that car, and a work van or something. I think these I got on eBay. These expansion packs, and these big expansion packs came with straight track, which was really cool. I always need more straight track. Love the tank cars. Again, it's weird though seeing these American style tank cars with the more Thomas and Friends style stuff. And like same thing with that, and the gondolas. They don't really fit with Thomas, but it works for me because I don't care. All right, this was a gift. This celebration, happy day, Thomas. That was from one of my viewers, Jody. And this one I bought from Legacy Station. It's a train shop in Georgia. I actually bought it online. The online price was cheaper than the Legacy Station price, and they shipped it to me. That was one of my early purchases from Legacy Station. I've been over there a few times. I would like to record videos over there, but their lights are so dark. It's really, really. I probably got a video of Legacy Station somewhere on the channel, but it's just so dark. I think they do that so that the stuff doesn't fade in the light. All right, and then this is one of the from one of those sets. I threw away the box. In fact, after I filmed this video, I'm going to throw that box away right there because it's got tape and stuff on it, and I already got that one, and it's a lot of wasted real estate in my basement, which I'm running. In fact, I've debated on throwing all of the boxes away. It's odd because in O-Scale, I've kept all the unique boxes, but HO, I throw everything away. So I don't know. Charlie, what are you doing, Charlie? And then, so some of the more recent items from TrainWorld, we got the Branch Line 2-pack, the James Trucks 2-pack, and then the boxcar rolling stock. We got Gordon, Percy, James, and of course Thomas. They had a Neo one, and there might have been a Rebecca. I I don't know, I'm partial to the old school stuff. So that is the extent of what I have in my O-scale Thomas and Friends collection. So this is my first time really getting into this add-on freight car set. We got the Derrick car, and then I think that's a Lionel transfer caboose owner's manual there. Yeah, be the first run.